Nathan Breeze is 119. Storm Boy, 127. Daniel and Samuel, The Twins in Red Rain by R.L. Stein, 135. Daniel and Samuel. Lorenzo, 105. Lorenzo is on the Atlantic Hurricane name list in 2019. I dare say 10 storms away, because we've had 2. The last one was Hurricane Barry. September 6, it's not likely we'll be up to Lorenzo by September 6. I wouldn't think. It's only a month away. 10 storms in a month? Unlikely. September 11, around there is the peak of hurricane season. 105 Lorenzo. Eruption 118, a sign for the bad boy. Storm Boy 127. Nathan Breeze 119. Nathan lost his life in a storm. A firestorm. Daniel and Samuel 135. Samuel is the boy with the fire gift. Psychic gift involving fire. Pyrokinesis. Hot. Eruption. An eruption of Steamboat Geyser is coming as a sign. A sign for a few things. Not just one thing, but a few things. Papandayan in 2020. A volcano in West Java, Indonesia. Papandayan and Puntang, the Twin Peaks. But first, before any of that stuff, today is Friday the 2nd of August. On Sunday the 4th of August, 2 days from now, Steamboat Geyser is going to go off with a major eruption at 13:37, 1:37 p.m. on Sunday the 4th of August. Steamboat Geyser in Wyoming is going to erupt. It's a sign for something. Lorenzo 105. William, born on the 6th of September 2002. He's turning 17 on Friday. He was born on a Friday. It's the same calendar year. So the week after will be the Friday the 13th. And there's something. We don't know what it is yet, but there's something coming. A big sign. 6 and 6. 9 and 9. 6 and 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 and 7. 67. Jayton born on the 6th. Demas born on the 7th. Identical twins. Daniel and Samuel. Well, we'll see what happens. 2 days and 22 hours exactly since Steamboat Geyser last erupted. 2 days and 22 hours. Tuesday, 30th of July, 2019. The time was 7:20 a.m. The interval was 6 days, 5 hours and 28 minutes. The next interval will be 5 days, 6 hours and 17 minutes. The duration of the eruption on 18th of July was 17 minutes. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. 6:12 that one. 6:12 a.m. 6:12 18 24. 6:12 18 24. This one was viewed by Daniel from Florida, Aaron and Melissa from Chile, and Craig C. This one, William. William the Warrior. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. It's going up in sixes, you see. 2 days, 22 hours, 2 minutes since Steamboat Geyser last erupted. Lorenzo 105, eruption 118. 11.9 degrees in Melbourne. Nathan Breeze 119. 9 and 9. Nathan was one of 9 people who died at number 9 on Black Saturday. He left this world in a firestorm. Stormboy 127. Lorenzo 105. It's exactly 10 degrees warmer in Darwin than it is in Melbourne. Nathan used to travel between Melbourne and Darwin. King Lake West is near Melbourne and Darwin. 21.9 in Darwin. 4 km/h winds. And we're talking the 4th of August. This coming Sunday, the 4th of August. 1:37. King Lake West is 1:37. The time is going to be 1:37 p.m. 1:37. Twin Samuel is 1:37. Samuel Delaney, 1:37. Daniel and Samuel, 135. Yeah. Something in this. Exactly what? We'll have to wait and see. 224. That's a powerful number. 224. It's 224 Eastern European summertime. Greece. Why are we in Greece? Because that's where the time is 224. Friday, 2nd of August 2019. Which is 9:24 p.m. in my part of the world. So what is it in Wyoming? Shall we have a look? We should. In Wyoming it's 5:24 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. And this is where the time will be 13:37 on Sunday, the 4th of August 2019, when the next eruption of Steamboat Geyser happens. The time in New York, Washington, the entire East Coast will be 2 hours later. So it will be 3:37 Eastern Daylight Time when the next eruption of Steamboat Geyser happens. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Steamboat Geyser erupted on the 25th of April. It hasn't erupted on the 25th since the 25th of April. It erupted at 25 minutes past 2200 hours, 10:25 p.m. on the 25th of April. Here in Australia, Anzac Day, Remembrance Day. It erupted on the 25th of April after 17 days, 1 hour and 41 minutes. Now we're talking about an interval that ends in 17 minutes and a time that ends in 37 minutes. So 27th of April, 25th of April, I should say. 25th of April, 25th of March. So the time in Canberra will be 5:37. If the time in Wyoming is 1:37, the time in Canberra will be 5:37. 16 hours difference. We are 16 hours ahead. So 25th of April, 25th of March, 25th of February, 25th of January, and 25th of December, Christmas Day. And do you know what's really odd? If you go back further, there are no eruptions on the 25th. It's always avoided the 25th until it decided to go off on the 25th. Not just once, not just twice, not just 3 times, but 5 months in a row. 5 5s are 25. September 6, 1982. 10 years before William was born. 1136, 6 sixes are 36. Name is 33. Jacob Irwin Wetterling is 233. How's that for weird? Well, I think it's pretty weird. Jake is 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. Jake was born on a Friday. So was Nathan. So was William. 2 days, 22 hours, 2 minutes when we came onto this page. It doesn't update here. You see, it doesn't update on this page. Nathan Breeze was here, right? He's moved. He's gone to Hobart. 11.9 degrees in Hobart. Nathan Breeze. He's gone south. The most powerful number in numerology is 22. 22. Remember, it was 22. The time was 22. Did we see that? Did we look at that? I think we did. The last interval ended in 28 minutes. It's 5:28 in Wyoming now, AM. I think we looked, but did we? (2200 hours). That was the time of the eruption on 26th of April 2002. That was the eruption that happened exactly 140 days before Friday the 13th, 2002. Again, 2200 hours and 20 minutes. Bad Mirror Boy, 140. He turns 18 in 2020. 140 days. It means 133 days after this eruption, William was born. Jayton was born. Friday, September 6. 133 days. The value of Mirror Boy. My birthday? April 27. Like I said, Nathan died in a firestorm. That's how he left this world. Jake, he died from being abducted and shot. 14 years after Jake's death, the anniversary was 22nd of October, 2003. We're talking 1978 is the year Jake was born, 78. We're talking twins, age 16. 2 16s are 32. 222. We're talking a lot of weird things, man. 2.2 degrees in Canberra. 22nd of October, 1989. 126. That's it. 126 hours. Eruption equals 118. Daniel and Samuel 135. They're the twins in Red Rain by R.L. Stein. The Steamboat Geyser is twins. It has twin vents. That's where we started, wasn't it? Looking at the twin vents of Steamboat Geyser. I said it's twins. Like Mount Papandayan and Mount Puntang. Twins. Bad Mirror Man. Twin vents. Steamboat. Twins. 2.2. Yeah, man. That's it. Jacob is 31. It's 9:31 p.m. Friday, August 2, 2019. Steamboat's going to erupt at 1:37 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time on Sunday, the 4th of August 2019. 13:37. The time will be 13:37. The latest eruption was at 7:20. That's how we know it's coming. 7:20. The one that showed the bad mirror boy. 140 days and 20 minutes. See? 6 days, 5 hours, 28 minutes. That's how we know he's a man. A man. Bad mirror man. 126. Eruption. Daniel and Samuel. Identical twins. Man is 28. Nathan Breeze, 119. Jake, born on the 17th of the 2nd. Friday, the 17th of February, 1978. It's all there. Shall we come back to see where we're up to? 2 days, 22 hours and 13 minutes since Steamboat Geyser last erupted. 5 days and 6 hours and 17 minutes will be the next interval. At least that's what we're thinking. 5:33 a.m. So somewhere it means the time is 2:33. But where? Where is the time 2:33? Or 1:33? Wetterling is 1:33. 2:33 in Baghdad, Iraq. Amen. So the Middle East. Cool. In my part of the world, it's 9:34 p.m. Friday, 2nd of August, 2019.